We have got a beautiful 1969 Camaro convertible today, but I don't need to tell you that. You've already figured it out on your own. Body off frame, ground up restored, turnkey, ready to drive, show quality Camaro. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, look at over 100 pictures, and that's where you'll find the price tag on over 200 collector cars for sale, and each one of them will also have a monthly finance payment, so you can afford one of these cars. With that tops down, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, good looking car. This thing's exceptionally nice. The body looks better than it did in 1969. I'm sure of that. Square, flush, laser beam straight. The Lemans blue is like glass, metal flake laid out evenly. Just gorgeous, like a mirror. Front fender looks great, has this nice body line in 69. The gaps are right on the money. It's just as smooth and shiny at the bottom as it is on the top. Absolutely beautiful metal and paint. All of this is amazing. All lines up nice. No ripples, no shrinkage, no bubbles, no damage, no cracking that I see. I'm looking real hard. I don't see any. All in beautiful shape, beautiful color. Oh, just a little water spot wiped off. All this is nice and clean. Even the edges, the inside edge here is nice and glossy. Good looking car. Here's a little chip on the inside edge of the door. So fantastic body, paint, color. This is a genuine stripe. I remember the first time I seen it, I thought, who put that on there? But this is an actual available stripe for the Camaro. Barely feel it. It's very smooth to the touch. Everything up here, the bumper, the grill, the big Chevy bow tie, the bezels, all that looks like new. The 327 emblems and the marker lights. It's actually a 350 that's in there. All new glass, all the way around, all new. All the chrome and fuzzy seals and door handles and the louvers, that's all been replaced. Power convertible top, the framework's painted gloss, all new rubber. It looks like a brand new top. It's bright white, not faded at all. We got a rear mount antenna. Let's check out the wheels before it turns away from us. 15-inch polished torque thrust wheels, extra wide in back. Mickey Thompson tires, extra fat in back, gives it that nice stance, got a good muscle look to it. And same thing back here, the emblem, taillights, bumper, it's all replaced. This piece of trim is popped off, so we'll have the shop reattach that. Looking really nice. You'll see pictures at volocars.com with the top up. Why don't we open it up, see what it's like inside. All right, I'm going to show you a real nice trunk compartment with a few bonus features. Paint is slick, beautiful, so is the jam. Little dirt and debris, dust. But painted slick, weather strip is replaced. Inside, all rock solid with a nice spatter paint. Is a nice fitting rubber mat. And you can see we have stereo equipment. Got an amplifier, we got some 6x9 speakers, and a CD changer. And everything looks like new in here. The well liner, the insulation behind the seat. Looks like new wiring throughout the car too. Everywhere I see wiring, it looks new. We do have that Buy It Now button on our website. See something you like, you click it, get it locked in before someone beats you to it. And if you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Beautiful door jambs, painted real nice. Weather strips are replaced, although the passenger door does have a chunk of the rubber that's missing. So it's a deluxe interior, and part of that is the molded door panel that you see there, and it's in excellent shape. Looks like it's new. Got a nice dark blue deluxe interior. Looking over here, this all looks like new. Look at the vents and all the chrome trim. They've got two switches. This is rare. Rear window defogger in a convertible and the power top. I've never seen that combination. You got the wood grain because deluxe interior, and all this looks like new. The heater control panel, the dash pad, it has a retro stereo, fits right in the factory hole. And then all this, again, wood grain trim, it all looks like new. This is our checklist. The car goes through a several page checklist in our shop. Here's the owner's manual, the wheel lock, matching cigarette lighter, missing the ashtray. So the interior lights are working, the levers seem like they moved, carpet's real nice, has Camaro mats. Looks like a new center console with the staple shifter. All this looks like new. And check this out, even the seat belts, full set of reproduction seat belts. The seat I'm sitting on is nice firm cushion. You can tell they've been rebuilt and reupholstered. This is the deluxe custom weave upholstery. Headrests are recovered. Same thing in back. You got new mats on the floor, new seat belts, wall-to-wall new upholstery. The seats, the armrests, the side panels, window cranks, it all looks like new. Looks like we got some new visors. Might be an original mirror. It's in good shape though. And then steering wheel, the blue paint's a little bit worn off it, but it's not cracked anywhere. And I forgot to mention the 3 gauges right below the stereo. You can keep an eye on your oil, temperature, and the volt gauge. So let's go check out the motor. Real nice interior. There's also 2 little tweeters up on the dash, part of the stereo system. Okay, you can refer to the website or ask the salesman, but I'll make sure it is a 350. That's what my notes say, and I thought that's what the casting number said, but we'll verify. It is a 350 motor, runs real nice. Got a giant dual feed Holley carburetor up on top there. And in back of that is the flamethrower billet ignition system with an Excel coil. Really nice set of matched valve covers and air cleaner. I like that combo. And we got some nice spark plug wire holders. And the headers are completely wrapped. That's a heat fabric. That keeps the heat going through the tube and not coming out into the engine bay. So just keeps the engine bay cooler. You can see everything was apart, painted real slick. The front of the motor has a new alternator. The radiator, the shroud, that was all replaced. Horns are hooked up. Like I said earlier, all new wiring. We got power steering. Got some upgraded tubular suspension, which we'll talk about in a little bit. I can tell it's an upgraded steering box. All chrome power brake system, polished master cylinder, stainless lines. Squirters are hooked up. Hood insulation is there. So actually a really nice motor compartment.
Guys, 69 Camaro convertible. Taking her around the block, showing you how she drives. We have another nice day to take it out for a spin, so the roads are pretty clear and dry, and it's not too cold out, so she should do good. I have faith in this one. But so far, pretty smooth ride. Steering feels good, brakes feel good. Shifting through the gears, got the staple shifter, so just manually shifting it because why not? Have a little more fun. But let's see what she does. think I have the window up all the way, so there's wind coming through, but otherwise, very comfortable drive. Feels really good. We're doing 60 straight down the road. No squeaks or creaks, anything like that over the bumps. No shakes or wobbles. Tires feel good. Yeah, I like this one. And the color combination with these wheels on it, oof, it's gorgeous. I got the heat on, the heat works. So yeah, there you have it.
So underneath this car is really nice too. It's actually body off frame. It's just a subframe up front, but all the components look like they've been replaced, restored. The floors are all rust-free metal with a chip guard paint that's been color matched to this. So it's blue chip guard paint underneath. All the front suspension completely rebuilt, upgraded CPP, upper and lower tubular control arms, the springs, the shocks, the ball joints, the steering components, it's all new. In back, the springs, the shocks are new. Upgraded with disc brakes in front, and I believe they're drilled and slotted, and it all looks like new. E-brakes hooked up, drums in the back. Polished stainless steel dual exhaust system, looks real sharp. It's all looks like chrome. It's polished stainless. Has the transverse muffler. It sits in there sideways with the nice polished slash cut tailpipes coming out the back. The fuel system's new. The tank, the straps, sending unit, the lines are replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The starter, all of it just looks fresh. It's a TCI Turbo 350 automatic trans with a chrome pan. Drive shaft looks fresh. Nice 12-bolt rear end in the back. I did confirm it is a 350 motor that is in there. But now I'm thinking, is it a 12-bolt or a 10? And that is a 10-bolt, so there you go. So underneath the car looks like brand new. This is just a nice car to get in and drive. Someone's done an extensive restoration. If you went out and bought a Camaro for 25 grand and sent it to a shop to be restored, you'd have over 100 in it, and you'd be looking at the car a couple of years from now. This one's done, ready to go, far less than $100,000. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Thanks for watching. Not bad for a Monday.